Vivo V21 5G mobile is a new launch by the brand Vivo. It was released on the 27th of April 2021. This smartphone is more inclined towards high-end prices and not in everyone's budget bracket. Apart from the price aspect, the mobile has got some dope traits to put the spotlight on. I am Naveen Kumar. Welcome to my channel Offer Amazon. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Design. This device has a slim and sleek body with dimensions of 159.68*73.9*7.29 millimeters and weighs as light as 176 grams. Being light and thin, this device accounts for a comfortable hold and elegant look. Display. Vivo V21 5G mobile heads up with a 6.44-inch touchscreen display, an ultra-high resolution of 1080*2404 pixels. An aspect ratio of 20:9 accompanied with AMOLED display. To give a clear and bright presentation of whatever is present on the screen. It has a pixel density of 409 pixels per inch with a 90 Hz screen refresh rate to allow switching between screens smoothly. It also offers bezel-free with a waterdrop notch, processor and battery. Vivo V21 5G mobile is cranked up with an octa-core of clock speed as high as 2.4 GHz, dual-core plus 2 GHz, hexa-core. Dynamic MediaTek Dimensity 800U. The presence of such a decent quality processor makes the user interface fast and smooth. The gadget is loaded with a battery of 4000 mAh battery power with a feature of 33W flash charging within a few units of time. Storage and memory. This beast device has come up with 8GB RAM to comfort multiple applications running at the same unit of time. Dynamic MediaTek Dimensity 800U. The presence of such a decent quality processor makes the user interface fast and smooth. The gadget is loaded with a battery of 4000 mAh battery power with a feature of 33W flash charging within a few units of time. Storage and memory. This beast device has come up with 8GB RAM to comfort multiple applications running at the same unit of time. It holds a terrible 128GB internal storage space, which is even expandable up to as massive as 1 TB. Camera. This smartphone has a triple camera module with autofocus on the rear side, a 64-megapixel wide-angle primary camera with an f1.79 aperture, an 8-megapixel wide-angle camera with an f2.2 aperture, and a 2-megapixel ultra-wide-angle macro camera with an f2.4 aperture on the backside of the device. It is also decked up with front camera setups for selfies and video call purposes, a 44-megapixel wide-angle front camera, LED flash and 4K at 30 frames per second video recording features are more attention-catching attributes of this device. Network and connectivity. Vivo V21 5G holds a dual SIM slot for nano SIM cards and supports 5G, 4G VoLTE, 3G, and 2G network connectivity. Essential components of the box: handset, power adapter or charger, USB cable Type-C, earphones, earphone jack adapter, SIM ejecting pin, protective phone cover, warranty card, user manual. Vivo V21 5G price in India. The Vivo V21 5G price in India is 29,990 rupees. The device is accessible in various color options to match your choice for the outer appearance of the mobile. Vivo V21 5G Dust Blue, 8GB RAM, 128GB storage with no cost any additional exchange offers. Vivo V21 5G 8GB RAM, 128GB. Sunset Dazzle 29,990 rupees. Vivo V21 5G 8GB RAM, 128GB. Dust Blue 29,990 rupees. Vivo V21 5G 8GB RAM, 128GB. Arctic White 29,990 rupees. Vivo V21 5G 8GB RAM, 256GB. Sunset Dazzle 32,990 rupees. This mobile comes in two storage variants, one with 128GB storage, while the pricier one has got 256GB storage, for which their prices slightly differ. 8GB plus 128GB. Amazon 26,699 rupees, Flipkart 29,990 rupees, Happy Mobiles 30,090 rupees, 8GB plus 256GB. Amazon 32,990 rupees, Flipkart 32,990 rupees, Happy Mobiles 33,090 rupees. The lowest price for which you can put your hands on this device is 26,699 rupees from Amazon for the 128GB variant and 32,990 rupees for the 256GB variant. Thank you. Have a nice day.